It's spinning up fast.
Copy that. What are we looking at for landfall?
70 minutes, maybe less.
Center, this is Dawson. The course tightening and moving northeast faster than projected.
We need everyone in the lower camp to shelter now. I'll stay on watch. Keep your channel open.